It's a rainy day outside and we've got some time to kill. We're just going to chill out here for a little bit, and I think Sasha's going to read a book, so I might jump on the Xbox and play some games with you. So in our van we have this little Kodak projector. It's like a smart TV and a projector. It's got YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime. I also plug in my Xbox. I've got, I don't know, maybe a handful of games. Yeah, I feel like today's the day to just lay around and enjoy the rainy weather and play some games.
Start making some lunch or brunch. It's like 11:30, so it's an early lunch. It's really cold, so we don't want any cold food, so we want something nice and warm. So we'll do some potato omelettes for lunch.
We're locking down the hatches because it's getting windy and it's getting cold and it's raining. It's lovely and warm in here though.
Should we put the heater on?
Yeah, we're going to put the heater on just to take the edge off before bedtime, warm things up so that we're nice and warm through the night. Frankie's nice and warm all day long. He's been in his jacket, super cozy and very sleepy.